Hi, I'm Ingrid Hoffman. Sedona by Lynx is designed to exceed your expectations and enhance your outdoor entertaining experience.
They have the meticulous fit and finish of all Lynx grills.
Let me take you through these great features.
The Sedona grill is beautiful with hand-polished, mirrored edges and continuously welded joints for both quality and strength.
The Lynx Hood Assist technology with stainless steel spring system makes the opening and closing of the grill easy and effortless like this.
Pro Sear technology allows for searing in just seconds. Crank the temperature up to 1000 degrees and then bring it down quickly.
No need to fear the sear.
The ceramic radiant briquettes are designed for high heat and reduce flare-ups by keeping grease and oil away from direct flame. Illuminated knobs feature blue LEDs that can be seen at night, and an internal halogen light floods the surface so you have a clear view of your food. The reliable spark ignition is activated by a burner control knob. The burners are positioned under the briquettes for instant lighting and steady, even heat distribution. There's a Cool Touch bull nose and a double wall hood, so the exterior of the grill never seems too hot to touch.
Because all Lynx grills are made in the USA with high-quality stainless steel, they carry a lifetime warranty against rust. So this will be the last grill you'll ever need to buy. And better yet, you get to pick from 3 different configurations.
As a cart, built-in, or as an easy-to-assemble island package. All 3 are very affordable, so there's a Sedona grill that will fit your budget.
When preparing your favorite foods, the Sedona by Lynx can dish out whatever you're serving. And remember, they're always mom-friendly and dad-ready.